Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the hood ornament on a Mercedes. This is a pretty simple procedure, but if you don't do it right you're going to have a really hard time. So let me first explain what you'll need to do. When you have the new hood ornament, what you need to do is you need to have it in the right position, and where that is that if you see this right here, you have a little bit of a bump on this right there, you can see, and on this side. So what you need to do is this white piece, it has to get turned so it's line up with that, where it's raised a little bit. You can see that part that's raised, because once you put this in the hood, this piece is going to turn like so, but right here is going to be the hood, the sheet metal of the hood. So you're going to turn that, and it's just simply going to, right there, it's going to lock. Okay, so that's all. It's going to be just like that. So make sure you turn it, line it up with the raised part, then open the hood. Okay, so you can see the old one right here. We're going to use these pliers. We're going to grab right there, and we're going to turn this counterclockwise. You can see that's loose right there. If it's not coming out, you might have to turn it a little bit more so these tabs line up with two holes in there. So these tabs line up with the two channels, not the holes. Remove the two holes. So you can see that. You can see the channel on that side and on this side. So we'll take the new one. We're going to line up these white pieces with these channels, one there, one there. We're going to push it. Okay, so it's flat on top, and then I'm pressing down with my hand just so that it's not, getting loose. And then we're going to grab this right here and we're going to turn it clockwise. And that's it. It's very simple. You're going to check it, make sure it's not loose, and it's not. The base, the star of course can adjust, but the base should be on there tight. And that's all. Thank you for watching.